In a realm where valor reigns supreme, the clang of swords reverberates through the air as brave knights clash on the battlefield, their armor glistening under the setting sun. This is a tale of honor tested by betrayal, where the true mettle of a knight is revealed. Meet Sir Cedric, a valiant knight sworn to protect the realm. With a heart full of honor and a spirit of chivalry, he embarks on a quest to retrieve the stolen crown from a rival lord, determined to restore peace to his kingdom. The kingdom is a tapestry of grand castles, verdant forests, and feudal politics. Each choice carries weight, for betrayal lurks in the shadows, threatening the stability of the realm. As Cedric journeys forth, he faces not just external foes, but the very nature of loyalty and honor. Enter Lord Valor, a dark rival with ambitions of conquest. His treachery knows no bounds, and he seeks to use Cedric's own allies against him. As the stakes rise, Cedric must navigate a treacherous path of friendship and deceit. Caught in a web of betrayal, Cedric faces overwhelming odds. His loyalty is tested as he grapples with the heartache of lost friendships and the weight of his duties. The climax draws near as the battlefield becomes a stage for honor and sacrifice. In the final confrontation, Cedric's honor shines through as he makes a fateful choice. Victory comes at a price, and the consequences of war linger. As the dust settles, he reflects on the true meaning of honor, glory, and the heavy burden of power.